Hey, good morning. It's Monday, January 23rd. A little chilly here this morning. We're got a little snow flurries flying around. The brick masons are not here because of temperatures and that sort of thing. But in the last video you saw when I was trying to tear out the header, we ripped the insulation on the trunk line, the ductwork. And so we're going to repair that today. Show you kind of how I do that. You start off with your metal repair duct tape like so. This is what it looks like. It's got a backing on it. This isn't sticky. It's actually got paper on the back. So you got to peel the paper off before it'll stick, but pretty simple. We're just going to duct tape over the hole where we ripped it and seal it back up and show you how we do that. So right here is where we tore the insulation. I've already put a couple pieces up there and I've already gotten started. So all this right here is tape, but we'll tape this up, finish sealing it up, seal this backside up, and we will be ready for inspection. The inspector is coming back today to re-inspect our HVAC system. The HVAC guys missed one of the bathroom exhaust fans running the exhaust hose to the exterior. So they're going to do that today, or they did that last week. So we're having our re-inspection today, and we fully expect for it to pass. This could be a booger to get the tape apart, or that paper backing off of the back. Come on. Especially when it's cold. There we go. So you can see that's how it works. So I just peel a little bit back and get it started. You just use your finger or a credit card or whatever you might have to make sure it's stuck on there good. Cut another piece. And this doesn't feel like normal duct tape. It's very metallic. It's almost like a thick, sticky aluminum foil. But we'll get this fixed back up. It'll be good as new. So that's got it. Good as new. So this way, when the inspector comes to get today to re-inspect HVAC, hopefully we won't give him any reason to fail us. But once HVAC's done, we'll be ready to call for a framing inspection, and then hopefully we'll be ready for insulation. But we'll catch you guys on the next one.